Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to set up your Wi-Fi repeater and extend your wireless network. A Wi-Fi repeater boosts the signal of your existing network, helping you stay connected in those hard-to-reach areas. Let's get started. Start by unboxing your Wi-Fi repeater. Inside the package, you should find the device itself, a user manual for guidance, and potentially an Ethernet cable for wired connections. Carefully inspect all items to ensure they are intact and functioning properly before moving on. Next, find a suitable location for your repeater. It should be halfway between your router and the area where you want to improve coverage. Plug the device into a power outlet and wait for the indicator lights to show that it's powered on. After plugging in the repeater and ensuring it's powered on, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone or laptop. Look for the default network name, which typically displays the brand or model number of the repeater, and connect to it. After connecting to the repeater, open your web browser and type in the IP address provided in the manual. This will open the setup page. Common IP addresses for repeaters are 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, but refer to your user manual for the exact address. Once you're on the setup page, you'll need to log in. The default username and password are usually admin unless it's specified otherwise in the manual. Be sure to change these credentials later for better security. Next, choose the option to link the repeater to your current Wi-Fi network. The repeater will initiate a scan for available networks in your vicinity. Once your home Wi-Fi network shows up in the list, select it to establish the connection. Enter the password for your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure it's correct to avoid any connection issues. After entering the password, click Connect or Next. The repeater will then sync with your home Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. The repeater will reboot, and you should see a new network that extends your Wi-Fi range. Now, reconnect your devices to the new extended network. The name might be the same as your original network or with an extension like _ext. Once connected, test your internet speed to ensure you're getting improved coverage. Ultimately, it's essential to identify the optimal location for your Wi-Fi repeater. Position it within the effective range of your router's signal while ensuring it's also situated near the zone that requires enhanced coverage for the best performance and connectivity.